So I guess that you all were having the same problem with your PS4. Okay, I'm gonna make this fast and simple. It's only two things you need to do. If you're getting the restart and it has a 27 gigabytes and it just keeps saying copy add-ons every time you restart it, what you need to do is wait for it to go through the first time. So wait till it upload, and then once you get to your basic start, like it'll look like that. Once you get to your basic start, you want to go ahead on and just press the start. All that cleaning disk and all that other stuff, that has nothing to do with it. Don't even go through it. Of course you want your disk to be clean, but don't go through that. It's just something stupid. It's common sense, you know. So what you want to do is, once you get to that start part, you just press start from the main menu. Two simple things, and I'm gonna make this real simple, and this is guaranteed to work. Go over to your multiplayer. You're gonna press your right RN button. So you're gonna press the button in. You're gonna go to that menu right there. It's gonna be like an install menu. So if you look at mine, I got them all installed. But all you want to do is just scroll down to that campaign pack 1 and campaign pack 2. Those are the only two that you need. Those are only like 1 megabyte. So all you do is press on these. And once you get these here, install those two. Everything else, unless you're gonna play campaign, you really don't even need to download that. If you're gonna do multiplayer, make sure you download that. But the two main things you need is campaign pack 1 and campaign pack 2. Then what you wanna do is, once you install it, restart your system. Then, once you restart it, you'll be able to just start it like I just showed you. And you should be able to go to your multiplayer. If that's what you're trying to do, you should be able to start right on up. And that's all you need to do. Peace.